Hello there, kids! Hello there, parents! Welcome back to the Early Learners Academy. Today, we're going to learn the sounds of the consonants, Part 3. And these are the letters P, Q, R, S, and T. Let's begin with letter P. This is big P, and this is a small p, and the sound of P is P. 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 Pizza. P. 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 Pencil. P. 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 Penguin. Letter Q. This is big Q, and this is small q, and the sound of Q is Q. 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 Queen. Q. 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 Quail. Q. 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 Quilt. Letter R. This is big letter R. This is a small letter R. And the sound of R is R. 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 Rocket. R. 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 Rainbow. R. 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 Rabbit. Letter S. This is big S, and this is a small s, and the sound of S is S. 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 Sun. S. 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 Spoon. S. 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 Snail. Letter T. This is big T, and this is small t, and the sound of T is T. 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 Table. T. 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 Tiger. T. 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 Turtle. Let's have a recap. Letter P, sound of P is P. Pineapple. P. Pencil. P. Penguin. P. Pizza. Letter Q. Q. Queen. Q. Quail. Q. Quilt. Q. Question. Letter R. R. Rainbow. R. Ring. R. Rabbit. R. Rocket. Letter S. S. Sun. S. Snail. S. Spoon. S. Star. Letter T. T. Table. T. Tongue. T. Tiger. T. Turtle. Well done!